Today, we're embarking on a crucial mission, building the ultimate emergency kit. This isn't just any kit, it's a meticulously assembled collection of essential items designed to help you weather any storm, navigate unforeseen challenges, and ensure your safety and well-being when the unexpected occurs. This is a kit, one that could very well save your life or the lives of your loved ones. It's about being proactive, taking responsibility for your safety, and having the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared. Disasters, whether natural or man-made, strike without warning. They can disrupt our lives in an instant, leaving us vulnerable and in need of immediate assistance. You absolutely don't want to be caught unprepared when disaster strikes. The aftermath of a disaster is not the time to scramble for supplies. It's a time to rely on your preparedness and focus on safety and recovery. To ensure we're on the right track, we're following the American Red Cross's, a leading humanitarian organization, expert recommendations. Their guidelines are based on years of experience and research, providing a reliable framework for building an effective emergency kit. We will be focusing on the 15 essential items you need to include in your kit. These items cover a range of critical needs, from basic sustenance to first aid and communication. Over the course of this guide, I'll show you exactly what to get for each of these categories, providing specific recommendations and considerations. I'll explain why each item matters, highlighting its importance in various emergency scenarios and demonstrating how it can contribute to your safety and survival. I'll also guide you on how to build your own kit step by step, offering practical tips and advice on assembling and organizing your supplies for easy access in an emergency. So grab a pen and a notepad, or open a document on your computer, and take notes as we go through each item. And stick around until the end, because I've got a bonus tip that will take your preparedness to the next level. This tip is something that many people overlook, but it can significantly enhance your ability to respond effectively in a crisis. It will take your preparedness to the next level. So with all that said, let's get started building your ultimate emergency kit. First up, the all-in-one survival tool, a high-quality multi-tool. Forget cheap gadgets. You need something reliable like a Leatherman or Gerber. This tool replaces an entire toolbox: knife, pliers, can opener, screwdriver, and more. Invest in quality and keep one in your main kit and a smaller one in your car or go bag. It's the most efficient, space-saving tool you'll own. Put a top-tier multi-tool at the very top of your list. Next, cash. When the power's out, cards and apps are useless. Physical cash is king, small bills only, so you can actually use them. Store your emergency cash in multiple secure places, a fireproof safe at home, a hidden spot in your car, and your go bag. Don't rely on your bank account. If you can't access it, it's worthless. Use waterproof pouches for extra protection. This simple step can make all the difference. Don't overlook it. Warmth is survival. You need real blankets. Wool is best. Wool insulates even when wet, is fire-resistant, and lasts forever. Get at least one, ideally 2 per person. Pair wool with Mylar space blankets for maximum heat retention. Store them in vacuum-sealed bags to save space and protect from moisture and pests. Don't settle for decorative throws. Get serious survival blankets. Staying warm can save your life. In any emergency situation, water quickly becomes your #1 priority. It's more vital than food, shelter, or even communication in the immediate aftermath of a disaster. You need at least 1 gallon per person per day to maintain basic hydration and health. This accounts for drinking, minimal hygiene, and some food preparation. When planning your emergency water supply, aim for a 2-week supply as a bare minimum. This will give you enough time to assess the situation, find alternative water sources, or wait for assistance to arrive. Store water in commercial bottles for convenience and ease of transport. These are readily available, stackable, and designed to keep water fresh for extended periods. For bulk storage, use large, food-grade barrels or rigid containers. These are ideal for storing larger quantities of water and can be a cost-effective solution for long-term preparedness. Don't forget to factor in water for sanitation purposes, such as hand washing and toilet flushing, as well as for cooking meals. These needs can significantly increase your daily water requirements. Always have a reliable way to purify water from questionable sources. This is crucial if your stored water runs out or becomes contaminated. Portable filters are lightweight and easy to use, making them ideal for individual use or for filtering small amounts of water quickly. Gravity systems can filter larger quantities of water without electricity, making them a great option for families or groups. And keep a supply of purification tablets on hand as a backup. They're a simple and effective way to disinfect water in a pinch. If your stored water runs out, you need backup options, such as knowing where to find natural water sources and how to safely purify them. Redundancy is key to a robust emergency water plan. This means having multiple storage methods, including bottled water, large containers, and even bathtubs or water bladders. And it also means having a variety of purification tools, from filters and tablets to boiling as a method. To prolong its shelf life, keep your water in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Rotate your supply regularly, ideally every 6 months, to ensure freshness and prevent contamination. Water is the very foundation upon which your entire emergency preparedness plan is built. Don't compromise here. Your health and survival depend on it. Make water storage a top priority. Food comes next. Stockpile non-perishable items. Canned goods, rice, beans, pasta, oats. Add variety for morale. Freeze-dried meals last decades and are easy to prepare. Always have a manual can opener. Have a backup too. Don't forget comfort foods and essentials like salt, sugar, and oil. Practice first in, first out to keep your supply fresh. Rotate your stock and check expiration dates. A well-managed food supply keeps you healthy and calm. Don't wait until shelves are empty. When the lights go out, you need reliable lighting. Stock up on LED flashlights, headlamps, hands-free is a game changer, and area lanterns. Choose battery-powered lights for safety. Avoid fuel lanterns indoors. Solar rechargeable lanterns are a great backup. Store batteries separately to prevent corrosion. Keep emergency candles and lighters as a last resort. Redundancy is crucial. Have multiple light sources. Don't get caught in the dark. In a blackout, information is survival. You need an emergency radio. Get one with hand crank and solar charging. No batteries required. Make sure it receives NOAA weather radio for official alerts. Some models have built-in flashlights and USB charging for your phone. This is your lifeline to news and instructions when everything else fails. Don't rely on your car radio or phone. A portable, self-powered radio is essential. Power your gear with a serious battery stockpile. Standardize your devices to use the same battery type. AA is ideal. Store at least 3 full sets of replacements for every device. Keep batteries in a cool, dry place, never inside devices. Use organizers for easy access in the dark. Buy in bulk, better too many than not enough. Batteries are your emergency fuel. Emergency services may be overwhelmed. Be your own first responder. Build a comprehensive first aid kit. Bandages, gauze, tape, antiseptics, pain relievers, gloves, tweezers, scissors. Add extras, blister care, cold packs, irrigation syringe, and a tourniquet, and know how to use it. Include a first aid manual for reference. Keep a large kit at home and smaller kits in your car and go bag. Make sure everyone knows where they are. Take a basic first aid and CPR class. Knowledge is your most important supply. Essential medications are critical. Don't forget them. Work with your doctor to build a 30-day surplus of prescriptions. Stock up on over-the-counter meds, pain relievers, allergy meds, stomach remedies. Track expiration dates and rotate your supply. Store meds in a cool, dry place. Use a pill organizer for daily doses. Your health depends on this preparation. Sanitation is survival, don't ignore it. Plan for toilet needs: heavy-duty bags, a bucket, and cat litter or sawdust. Stockpile toilet paper and wet wipes for hygiene. Include soap, toothbrushes, toothpaste, and feminine products. Keep disinfectant paper towels and extra garbage bags for cleaning. Hand sanitizer is a must for every kit and car. Good hygiene prevents disease when help is far away. Stay clean, stay healthy. Protect your vital documents. Birth certificates, IDs, insurance, deeds. Store originals in a fireproof, waterproof bag or safe. Make digital copies and save them to secure cloud storage. Back up digital files on an encrypted USB drive in your go bag. Keep another copy in a safe deposit box. Redundancy is key. Don't risk losing your identity. Be ready to rebuild if disaster strikes. Your phone is your lifeline. Keep it charged. Stockpile high-quality charging cables, multiple backups. Get large-capacity power banks enough to charge your phone several times. Recharge power banks with a portable solar panel for off-grid power. Store cables and chargers in your home, car, and go bag. This setup keeps your devices running indefinitely. Don't let a dead battery cut you off. Print a physical contact list. Don't rely on your phone. Include family, friends, out-of-state contacts, doctors, schools, insurance, and local emergency numbers. Update and print new copies every 6 months. Store lists in your home kit, car, wallet, and give copies to family. Redundancy ensures you can reconnect if separated. It's a 5-minute task that could save lives. Don't skip it. Paper maps are your backup navigation phones can fail. Get durable, waterproof maps of your area and state. Learn to read them and plan multiple evacuation routes. Highlight routes and practice with your family. Store maps in every vehicle and your go bag. Pair with a simple compass for foolproof navigation. No batteries, no signal required. Maps could guide you to safety when tech fails. That's the Red Cross's list of 15 essential items for survival. These are the building blocks for ensuring you and your loved ones can weather any storm, big or small. Having these items on hand can make all the difference when disaster strikes. Don't get overwhelmed. It might seem like a lot to gather all at once. Instead, start with just one item and gradually build your kit over time. Pick up an extra bottle of water each grocery trip or a few bandages. Small steps lead to big preparedness. Emergencies don't wait, so act now, even if it's just a small step. Every little bit helps when time is of the essence. Preparedness is peace of mind, not just for you, but for your entire family. Knowing you're ready brings a sense of calm amidst potential chaos. Here's your bonus tip, something extra to really boost your readiness. Build a go bag for each person in your household. This ensures everyone has their own essentials tailored to their specific needs. These bags should be packed and ready to grab in seconds, placed in an easily accessible location. Time is critical in an emergency. Include at least 3 days' worth of non-perishable food, water, enough for drinking and sanitation, clothes appropriate for the climate, a comprehensive first aid kit, a reliable flashlight with extra batteries, copies of important documents in a waterproof bag, and essential personal items like medications and hygiene products. If you found this information helpful and empowering, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more preparedness tips, and share this video with your friends and family to help others stay safe and informed. Don't delay, start building your emergency preparedness kit today. Your future self will thank you.